Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we are playing Assassin. My brand new screen recorder. Right now we have to kill a target right here. And yeah, my game is so laggy. So super laggy. I'm trying. Oh god. Okay, so we have Super MMM right there. Kill him. It's the wrong player. Just go down and hide you. Oh my god. Okay. Where? Oh. Okay, I guess that is bad. Trying to focus on the game and we get out. That's not good. Next round we will win. Have faith in yourself. We will win. We will win. I'm sure that will come. Okay, now let's spectate. Let's begin. Let's see the match. How it's going on. So we have Shacks. This is Shacks. 78661. One. Black Knight and of course Shacks. That Black Knight. And here we have Katya Still Motion Co. What a weird name, dude. She's going to try to kill Shacks. Let's see who will win the final match. Who will win this? We'll see. Come on. Okay, I am. My username is Ultimate D8. I'm level 643. And spare the inventory. I had I think I had unicorn and I traded away because I'm not interested in having exotic. Okay, and she's camping, of course. Campers. You will lose. Campers lose. Okay. Come on. Finish the game, dude. Just finish the game. Oh my god. It's wasting the time. Oh my god. Come on. We're running. Oh, come on, please. Finally, oh my god. Believe you. This time we have to win. Should not die. Should never die. Let's choose paintball. No, Shacks. Choose paintball. No, paintball can't. Paintball. Yeah, thank you. Okay, now we should not die. Okay, my previous video about my Murder Mystery 2 video, where it just went so horrible, dude. The background is very bad, and it will be very bad. Okay, our target is, oh my god, better keep running. Oh. No, yeah. I got him. Come on, win. Come on, die. Come on. Yeah, we got him. Now we have Shacks here, Shacks. Where's that? Where's, hey, come on here. Where are you, Shacks? Oh. You're heading out. Just calm down, that coward. I will get you. Oh, come on. Where are you? Oh. We won! Yes! We won. That's the most cringiest dab I have ever seen. Yeah, we won. That's the best. I said it, we will win. And of course I won. Let's choose a state. Okay. Let's choose a state. Okay, and we should win here. I think before the recording, I was playing that just trying to test, and someone from here, this guy from here, he just did like a trick shot, and I got killed. Which is like, I think there's a new update in Assassin for the new variety of maps. New maps are coming, where it's not recorded here, but before there were like extremely new maps. I think owner is Badimo. Not Badimo. Oh god, the wrong one. The owner is I forgot who the owner is. He's doing a really good job in the updating the game. And okay, we're not even getting any kill. Just die. Come on, just die. Whoa, gosh. Die. Die. Come on, die. Oh. Yes, we won. Oh my god. I just knocked my phone off. Okay. We won the game. Man. That's 2 rounds in a row. We should win the next game. Come on. And yeah. I recorded 6 minutes of the video. And 3 rounds. Not bad. First round where I died. The second round I won. The third round also I won. And that's the 4th round. Okay, let's get ready. Same map? No, this is the different map. We have Super MM110, which is Mario. They're calling him Mario. Super Mario. Super Mario, where are you? I'm ready to kill you. Where are you? Oh. He's killed. But good throwing not killed. And we have Super Mario killed. And come on, die. Oh no. You want to skip today? Come on. A chance of playing against the same person. What are the chances? Okay. Come on. Getting really intense. Oh. Just die. Oh my god. Okay, whoever that is, I'm not ready to accept her request now. Oh my god, die, dude. Die. Damn. Oh, jumping like a monkey, dude. Oh my god, come on. Just die. My goodness. You know what? I might get a kill. Oh my goodness, die. Oh my goodness. Why is it dying? So laggy. Die, oh my god. Die. Just die. Oh my god. I can't. Die. Oh. Oh my. Die. Die. Oh my god. Die. Finally. It's dead. 1 second, guys. Finally, he's dead. That guy, man, that's insane, dude. It's like they are really long 1v1. And this time I should win. I think that's 3 rounds in a row. I won. Not bad. Okay. Yeah, this cat here still more. Oh my. Oh. Music. It's a real amazing music. I'm stuck. Oh my god. If this time is not forever, at least in your lost it, but okay, I'm back. Let's keep that. No, I'm not alone. Anything whenever, but we're still together. No, I'm not alone. No, not bad, guys. Music did amazing. Okay, I killed this guy. Die. I know I'm not alone. We won. We killed the radio guy again. But okay, that music was really good. And I think it's Alan Walker. Yeah, it's Alan Walker. Alan Walker. Not Alan, sorry. Alan Walker. And his music are just amazing, you. It's just amazing. Insane, bro.
How music? It's a boy.
Never mind. And this is our last round. I hope we win. Okay. It's just surprising, guys. We have won all the round except one. Okay, the radio guy is a little bit far. Oh, it's insane touch. Oh no! No! I died! I didn't watch my step there. Can you play one last round? Really do be fun. Okay, never mind. The round just ended quickly. We'll have one more round, and that actually adds all death. That was really bad, brutal death. Such very brutally, and I just fell off the map. Gotta be kidding me. This time we have to win. Also, guys, there was okay. So yeah, I like this music. Really good. Oh, wait. You ready? I shouldn't get near. Because that's my target. Oh, he's dead. No. Oh. Ah. Come on, just wrong play. Where did you go after me? Lost in your mind. Anyway, I'm the worst singer. Okay, I better go after our target. Oh my god, I just keep getting wrong player, dude. Yeah. Should not die this time. Die. Good the rest. Oh, what? Oh my god, it's so shy. I've seen the kill. Just look at me. Just look at me. Oh lord. Okay, next we have Sharks. Sharks. Come on, where are you, Sharks? I'm gonna kill you. Oh. Oh. Yes, we won. Okay, I think that's it. We won all the games except 2 rounds. I think that's really good. I did well in the game. Bye guys, don't forget to subscribe, leave a like and comment below, and please share this video so other people can see it, and hit the bell. See you later guys.